How to change Google account password. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google. Then click on your profile located at top right. Then you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your Google account. After that, simply scroll to the left at the top and you'll find security. Click on security and then scroll down. Scroll down till you find password option. Click on password. After you click on password, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Add your new password. Then confirm new password and click on change password at the bottom. After that, your Google account password will be changed. This is how to change Google account password. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.